Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed in and the App Store region matches where you use Starpets. Next, reveal the 16-digit code on the Apple gift card. You can type it or scan with the camera for speed. Once done, redeem the code in the App Store profile or settings. This adds funds to your Apple ID balance. Make sure the balance appears before moving to the game, because Starpets will draw from that balance for purchases. You now open Starpets and go straight to the in-game store where coins, packs, or subscriptions are sold. Select the item you want. When the App Store checkout appears, make sure Apple ID balance is selected as the payment method. Then confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and wait for the App Store to confirm the transaction. If the purchase completes, in-game items usually arrive instantly. If not, give the game a moment and refresh your inventory. You finish by verifying the items appeared in your Starpets account and checking the purchase receipt in the App Store purchase history. Once done, use Restore Purchases in Starpets if something is missing. If a purchase fails, sign out and back into the App Store, confirm your Apple ID balance and region, and ensure a stable network. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the receipt and the 16-digit code, and contact Starpets support with your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.